How are you supposed to keep up with your body's health when every recipe seems so complicated? Hi, I'm Alex from Iconic Man, and today I'm going to show you 5 meals that even you can prepare.
3 times a day, 7 days a week for the rest of your life you need to eat.
It can be a real struggle sticking to a healthy diet sometimes. You spend all day at work and then head to the gym, so the last thing you want to do when you get home is spend hours in the kitchen cooking a complicated meal. At the start of 2019, I set myself a goal. Stop eating ready meals, limit myself to 1 takeout a week, and start cooking healthy, nutritionally balanced meals. A few weeks in, and the difference in my energy levels and overall fitness was shocking. I still felt buzzed at 8 p.m. when I left the gym and headed home, and I no longer found myself hitting snooze repeatedly on my alarm in the morning. I have put together a list of 5 super quick and healthy meals that will get you through the week. Why not give them a try and see the amazing health benefits for yourself? On Monday, we have loaded sweet potato skins. This is one of my favorite after-work meals because it creates very little mess and requires minimal effort. Most of the cooking time is taken up with the sweet potato cooking in the oven, meaning I can carry on with more important tasks while my dinner cooks. This is an extremely healthy meal that can be altered to suit your taste, as the cheese can be replaced with a vegan alternative, and you can easily pack this full of vegetables. The ingredients are 1 large sweet potato, 1/4 tablespoon of olive oil, a splash of milk, a pinch of salt, 1/4 cup of grated cheese, the filling, and a spoonful of sour cream for the top. For directions on how to cook this and to unlock all 5 recipes, check out the full article on iconicman.com. If you enjoyed today's video, click that subscribe button and let us know what you think about prepping your own meals in the comment section below.